I have a bunny head.
Good morning, Cougars. This is Mr. Martinez with the morning announcements on Pajama Day. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Joya.
Good morning, Mr. Martinez. Good morning,
And
Luca.
Luca's back on his Friday segment. Good morning, Luca.
Good morning.
All right, guys. I've got a brand new flag. Let me see if I can find it. This is from Cameron, I believe in the 4th grade, sent this in to us. Thank you, Cameron. Big shout out to you. I believe maybe even in Miss Corona's class, I'm thinking. Take it away there, Joya.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right. Thank you, Joya. And thank you to Cameron. Once again, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, October 16th, a day that we've been waiting for a while. Unfortunately, I have a little bad news, guys. Game 4, National League Championship Series, Atlanta Braves, Dodgers. We lost last night. We are now down 3 games to 1. If we lose tonight, our beloved Dodgers are out of the final. So put all your energy into the Dodgers tonight. As we're at Cartoon Night, we're sending positive vibes to the Dodgers. Today is Pajama Day.
Yes, I need
so,
my pajamas.
Yeah, talk to us, Joy. What do you got going on over there? I see Baby Yoda.
Jammies.
You got your jammies on.
I made Baby Yoda last minute pajamas.
Nice. And look, he's got Sleepy on there. I'm in my PJs. I've got my eye cover so that when I'm sleeping at night, it's nice and dark and nothing disturbs me when I'm sleeping. Luca, you look like you sleep in a sweater and a collared shirt. I've never seen those PJs before. Those are awesome.
Thanks.
So listen, Luca, you are here today. It's Friday, and I know you've got Luca's Laudable Laughs. I want to remind everybody that he's got a link on our website. Every week it changes. Luca, take over the screen and show us what you got to share with us today.
Well, I am a co-host, so I could share my screen. And okay, so this is the PowerPoint, Luca's Laudable Laughs. So we had a lot of submissions this week. I'll show you some of them.
And remind everybody, what was the topic, Luca?
Oh yes, the topic for this week was to show your favorite breakfast foods. You could have submitted a auto recording or like a image or a picture, like a video of you.
Nice.
Now our first submission was from Devin.
He loves cereal. Devin loves cereal, man. Look at him, Lucky Charms.
He submitted his 2 favorite cereals, I'm guessing, Lucky Charms and Brownie Crunch.
Nice.
Right here. Our second winner was Alexandra. I think it's Alexandra.
Yes.
And she submitted a picture of some pancakes, blueberries and strawberries. I think it might be like peanut butter or butter in the background.
Some kind of fancy butter back there. Look at the syrup dripping off those pancakes, Joya. Makes me hungry right now.
Looks yummy.
Our third image, we have Jake. And, well, he made some homemade pancakes, actually.
I've never seen that before, Luca.
Yeah, he has, like, donut pancakes, and then his brother over here has...
He's a traditionalist, the brother. The little brother, he's going for the traditional pancakes. But look at Jake, man. Donut pancakes. That is awesome. You could put your syrup in the middle, make like a little swimming pool of syrup. That looks fantastic.
Yeah. On the next page, we have Saskia, and she submitted a Google document, and this is her. She did an acrostic poem, Eggs, Apple, and Toast.
And we are all going to eat tonight. Look at that creative acrostic poem. Shout out to Saskia F. Nice job, Saskia. That is awesome.
And then for our next slide, we have Isaiah. And
he's back. He was in last week too, Luca.
And he did the same style. He's holding a picture. This is one of my favorite. Oops. Okay, we're seeing. He says he's holding a picture that says, "One of my favorite breakfast foods are blueberry pancakes."
Nice. Shout out to Isaiah. Good job, Isaiah.
And then the final one is Shani, I think. Shani. And she has holding a picture right here, a croissant with jam. You can see
Oh, I
the
love a
jam.
fresh croissant with jam. Joy, you like croissants?
I love croissant.
Ooh, I love them. I love them.
Croissant. And those are all of the submissions we had this week.
Nice
I mean, they were
job.
all of them.
Thank you to everybody that submitted this week. Remember, Luca's link is on our cover of our website. Luca, do you have an idea of what the theme is going to be for next week?
Well, next week would be the 20th, the 21st, right?
Yep.
And I was thinking, well, that's sort of close to
Halloween?
yeah, Halloween. So I was thinking maybe we can have like a Halloween, like sort of a costume competition sort of thing, where you could like send a picture of you in like your favorite Halloween costume for this year, and you could submit it on Luca's Laudable Laughs.
Okay, perfect. That'll be up this weekend. All right, go ahead and give me back the screen there, buddy. We salute everybody that submitted. Look forward to seeing those next week. Want to remind everybody that every Friday we also share UN Fair family stories. Let me pull up here. Let me make sure I got my sound on. This week, in honor of Down Syndrome Awareness Month, we have a short film from the Saux family. The film explores our differences and the magic that can happen when we let go of our preconceptions and get to know each other for who we are. Then we can truly begin to celebrate our differences. Here is the video, Unity Fair family video of the week from the Saux family. Here it goes.
I'm a runner. I like it when I'm out there, just me and the road. It clears my head and reminds me who I am. My name is Sophia. I have a younger brother named Liam. He's not a runner. He likes to play ball. The truth is, we don't have much in common at all. I guess when I thought about having a sibling, I thought he'd be more like me. But life doesn't always turn out like you expect.
Sophia? 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 Sophia?
1 week. What a bum way to start summer. Cooped up alone. With Liam.
Wow.
Fine. Just one. That is a good idea. That is a funny idea. Here I go. See, do you have 8? Yeah? 8 each. Go fishing. Man, my foot's too weak to run. How are you gonna help my foot get strong? They say the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. What I've learned is no matter how long the journey is, what's most important is who's running alongside you. This is my brother Liam. I always thought we were so different from each other. I'm glad I was right.
Wow. These Friday Unity Fair family videos are amazing. Yeah, I agree. What'd you guys think?
And it was really good.
Yeah, I thought the story, like the music and the camera motions, I feel like all of it was really good.
Absolutely. And if, like she said, sometimes life doesn't turn out the way you expect it, but if you have a positive attitude and
Can
you
make it
look for
work.
your similarities rather than our differences, then you can find out that we can really do some amazing things together. So shout out to the Saux family. Thank you for sharing that. Guys, we've gone a little bit over, so I'm gonna blow through the cartoon night. It's tonight. It's at 6 o'clock. Your parents got the Zoom information yesterday. They're gonna get it again this morning. We've got the scavenger hunt. We have the 2 episodes. I don't know if you can see back there, but I've got my breakfast foods already ready to go. I got some cereal back there, some bananas. We're gonna eat together. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Starts at 6. Luca, do you know what Fred Flintstone says when he's super excited?
Yoo-hoo!
That's exactly what he says. All right, let's do our words of wisdom, guys. Here we go. What do we human beings want for the future?
Do we want to stop the violence? Do we want to live in a world that is fair to all people?
Most of us would answer yes to those questions. Albert Schweitzer, a doctor who worked to help people around the world, once said that
Everyone should practice true humanity toward his fellow men. On that depends the future of mankind.
in other words, boys and girls, he is saying that the future of our world depends on everyone's learning to be fair and kind to one another. Just like you saw Sophia with her brother in that video. That sounds like a simple solution, don't you think?
Yeah. Today, remember Dr. Schweitzer. Let's start treating each other with respect, honor each other's differences, and being kind to one another.
With something to think about, this is Mr. Martinez.
And Joya,
And Luca,
Make it a great day.
or not.
or not.
The choice is yours. Happy Pajama Day to everybody. Remember, 6 o'clock tonight on Zoom. Make sure your parents look at the email for the meeting ID and the passcode. We're going to have a great time tonight. We're going to have a great time today during school. And I'll see everybody tonight for our cartoon night at 6 o'clock. Thanks,
See you
guys.
tonight.
Bye, guys.
Bye.